What's up,
guys?
everybody? We are finally here, our day at the beach, and it's so pretty. It's so cool.
Day here.
Yeah, it's the first day. We had yesterday a beautiful night, and we could sleep. And now we are here, and the beach is awesome. It's a little bit like Rio feeling,
Yeah,
right?
I just said it. When we arrived here, it looked a little bit like Copacabana.
Yeah, because the same principle. So we have the street here in the front,
Palm trees.
and then we have the palm trees and a beautiful, how we say, walk passage. And there's the beach. And the people, just like in Rio, they are all playing some sports. And it's a good feeling, a lot of young people and energy. That's one thing that I noticed from Tel Aviv, is that it's a city that is alive. There's always things going on.
Wow, our way here to the beach,
yeah.
it was so cool. There were so many like little streets and so many people with good energy. It was really nice.
Yeah, we passed through some alleys they were really small, but on both sides there were always some stores and restaurants.
Food.
And wait, look at this, look at this.
What's that?
I don't know. I have no idea.
I think it's his thing
Yeah,
to
this
go,
thing that
and
you
right
can
now
step
he wants
up.
to walk, you know.
It's just like a droid from Star Wars. Yes.
And now we're going home.
We did some beautiful photos and videos that we're gonna post or posted already. I don't know how it's gonna be the sequence, but you're gonna for sure check it out because they look beautiful, right?
Yeah, I like it. Very good first impression.
Very good first
From the
impression.
people here, from the city.
Yeah, the temperature is very cool. The water was probably very cold if you go to swim, but I think in a hot day you can do it.
And the weather is good. It's already really good. I'm very happy. In Germany it's snowing right now. So.
Now we go home because we have 2 privates and later on we have our class and party. So let's go.
Let's go!